welcome to the Farmington Public Library. My name is Amanda. I'm one of the librarians here. Today we're going to go over one of our crafts. So this is a kit that you can come and pick up at the reference desk while supplies last. And I know that you guys have been eager and wanting so badly to do some macrame. So March is all about macrame. So we're going to make this adorable macrame keychain. How cute is that? And it's really easy. It's one knot over and over again. So let me show you what's inside the box. I recommend that you go to our CreativeBug database. It's all crafts, and that's where I got this idea. So if you go to CreativeBug through the Farmington Public Library's website, search for Macramé Keychain, and you'll find how to do this step by step. And it's easier watching the video, I will say. But let's open up the craft kit and see what we're gonna get. Inside, you're going to find two 32-inch pieces of macrame rope, two 42-inch length of macrame rope. You're going to find written instructions on how to do this craft, a list of our upcoming programs, the actual toggle, brass toggle for the keychain part. And then what's important is you're going to also receive this foam board with a thumbtack. That's going to allow you to easily work on your knots. And then there's also some of these cool little sticky things that you'll stick on the back and stick to a surface so that you have that tension that you can use to create your keychain. The materials that you'll need at home are just a pair of scissors. That's it. So we include everything you need to make this adorable macrame keychain. Again, go to CreativeBug to see the video on how to do this. It's an easy, simple way to keep up and do step by step. I hope you enjoy this kit, and then in 2 weeks we're doing a craft night where we're gonna make a macrame garland. It's a little more difficult, but if you can do the keychain, you can do the garland. I hope to see you there. Thank you.